Unlock the power of AI to revolutionize your presentations with Microsoft Copilot in PowerPoint. Let's dive in to begin. Open PowerPoint and locate the Copilot feature, often accessible from the Home tab or through a dedicated Copilot icon. Copilot's magic starts with creation. Simply tell Copilot what you want your presentation to be about. For instance, type "create a presentation about sustainable energy solutions." This single prompt intelligently generates an entire presentation outline, complete with slides and initial content covering your chosen topic. Observe as it builds a structured foundation, saving you hours of initial brainstorming and formatting. Copilot doesn't just create, it also enhances what you already have. Have existing content? Copilot can suggest design improvements, select text or an entire slide, and ask Copilot to suggest design ideas. It will offer visual enhancements, font pairings, and layout adjustments to make your slides more appealing and readable. It's like having a professional designer at your fingertips, transforming bland slides into engaging visual experiences. Struggling with information overload? Copilot excels at summarization. If you have a lengthy section of text, you can prompt Copilot to summarize this content. It intelligently distills key points, making complex information digestible for your audience. This is invaluable for condensing reports, research, or lengthy discussions into impactful presentation points. Beyond these core features, Copilot can assist with image selection, generate speaker notes, and even help rephrase content for clarity. Simply use natural language prompts to guide its actions. For example, after adding an image, you might ask Copilot to suggest a caption for this image. By integrating Copilot into your PowerPoint workflow, you reduce the time spent on tedious tasks, allowing you to focus on delivering compelling, polished presentations. Embrace the future of presentation creation and elevate your slideshows with Microsoft Copilot.